Here we have a 1966 Ford Mustang. As you can see, a convertible in Ragoon red. Now, this vehicle has had a repaint, has had the interior redone. 30 years ago approximately, had a restoration done to it. According to the current owners, they've had it for the past 15 years approximately. It is a 3-owner car. Stated original engine is in it. Has never been out, according to any of the owners. And miles on it, they state, were accurate. And I believe it's approximately 59,000. We'll get around to the driver's side. We'll take a peek at it. Now, it is a C-code car. So you do have a 289 V8 underneath the hood. And it was originally also a 4-speed car, which it still retains a 4-speed in it today. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, that engine bay I was talking about, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. It has the pony interior installed in it now, as you can see by the backrest of the seats. So the vinyl seats and everything are in nice shape. Carpeting looks good in it. Pretty much stock looking dash with the exception of a little FM radio that was added underneath, and that does work. Runs off the power from the AM and goes through the speaker in the dash. So the FM does work. As you can see, pretty straight up and down the sides. There's a few little spots I noticed where it's been touched up. You can see that right there. As you can see, wheel cover car, white walls, radials. Now, service work, it has had a couple new tires on the front of it. Were just installed. Also, carb work was done to it here, so we rebuilt the carb, new fuel filter. Also, some rear brake components were fixed as far as rear brake shoes, rear wheel cylinders, and brake lines were replaced in the rear. So it has had some brake work, some carb work. Looking underneath the hood, appeared to be a new brake booster and master cylinder. So look like that had also been done on there. As far as equipment, this does have power steering and power brakes. It is a manual top. Top is black vinyl. Top is in decent shape. Did not notice any rips, tears, or holes. And you can check that out in the still pictures also, so you can see what the top looks like in person. In the pictures, I should say. Unless you come to view this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We'd be happy to assist with transportation of the vehicle. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This was a Dearborn built car according to the data tag on it. And like I said, originally a 289 car, still has a 289 underneath the hood, and 4-speed is how it would have came. Also late build, I believe it was built in July of '66, so one of the last months you've been able to get a Mustang 466 before they became 67s. See the parade boot back here, and again, vinyl seats and carpeting in good shape. I'm going to hop in. Let's go ahead and start this a second. We can see that as far as the miles go, 59,202. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts. Nice running car. There's that little FM radio converter underneath there. That does work. Wipers worked. We have both of those going. Alright. Slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust. No Lobe cam or anything in it. Just what you'd expect out of a 1966 289. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay. Looks pretty much stock underneath there. And the way you'd imagine it to be. Let's take a peek. Alright, here's 289 underneath the hood. Again, you can see us talking about the brake booster, master cylinder, the power steering, power brakes. Very stock looking underneath there. And again, according to current owner, original engine to the car, 3-owner car, with a C code, 289 car. So there you go, looking for a drop top 1966 Ford Mustang. Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. We can view everything. And remember, we can sure assist you with the transportation. Financing is available. We do consider trades. And this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.